So what if I told you there's a multi-billion-dollar entertainment wave sweeping the globe right now, but with a huge motivated audience on YouTube that almost nobody is serving? Well, in this explainer, we're going to break down that exact opportunity.
This is the million-dollar question for every single creator, isn't it? Finding that perfect sweet spot where there's a massive wave of interest, but the space isn't totally flooded with competition yet. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you're not just going to have the answer, you're going to have a full playbook.
Okay, so check this out. This one visual pretty much tells the whole story. We've got a ton of C-drama content being made. That's the first bar. And viewer interest? Through the roof. That's the second bar. But look at that third bar. The number of channels doing high-quality English dubs is shockingly low. That gap, my friends, that is where the opportunity is hiding.
So let's talk about the engine that's powering this whole thing. And I want to be clear, this isn't some small, quirky trend. This is a massive cultural and economic shift, and I really want you to see the sheer scale of what we're talking about.
This number is just staggering. We're talking about the projected overseas market revenue for Chinese short dramas, just short dramas, in 2025 alone. That's over £1 billion. This tells you right away this is not a little hobbyist niche, it's a global industry and it's actively hunting for new markets.
And you know, this global push isn't happening by accident. C-dramas are becoming a strategic cultural export, and they're basically following the exact same playbook that made K-dramas a worldwide sensation. But here's the kicker. New AI tools have made translating and dubbing more than 60% more efficient. It's faster, it's cheaper, and it's making a global audience easier to reach than ever before.
Okay, so the content is booming, the audience is there, so where's the secret door for a new creator like you? Well, it's not about what's already on YouTube. It's about what is seriously, profoundly missing.
Right now, if you go and search for C-dramas on YouTube, you'll find tons of options. With subtitles, that market is pretty crowded. But high-quality, professional-sounding English dubs, it's a wide-open field. You see, dubs let people have that lean-back viewing experience. They can multitask, they can listen while they're cooking, or maybe they just don't want to read. It unlocks a totally different type of viewer.
Now, you might be looking at this chart and thinking, only 20% of the US audience prefers dubs? That feels kind of small. But trust me, that is the completely wrong way to look at it. Let's reframe what that 20% actually means. So here's the crucial point. We are talking about 1/5 of a gigantic, passionate, and fast-growing audience. This is not a small number of people. We're talking millions of potential viewers in high-value markets like the US and Europe, and right now on YouTube, they are being almost completely ignored.
Okay, the opportunity is crystal clear. So how do you actually jump on it? I've broken it down into 3 distinct playbooks you can use to build a super successful channel in this space. These are your 3 main paths. You can be the broadcaster, you can be the partner, or you can be the analyst. Each one has a totally different approach, different risks, and honestly, different but very powerful upsides. First up, we've got the broadcaster. This is the most direct way in. You license full C-drama series and you publish the English dubbed episodes. Now, the barrier to entry is high, no doubt about it. You've got licensing costs, legal stuff, but the upside? It's enormous. Just a few hit shows can bring in millions of views and unbelievable watch time. Next up is the partner model. And honestly, this might just be the sweet spot. With this one, you focus on that booming world of microdramas. You know, those short, super addictive vertical shows? You partner with the drama apps to become their official English voice on YouTube. It's way less legally complicated than full series, and it taps right into that billion-dollar short drama trend we talked about.
And finally, we have what is probably the safest and easiest way to get started, the analyst model. Here, you're creating things like recap videos, top 10 lists, explaining confusing plot points. The legal barrier is basically zero since you're working under fair use. This lets you become the trusted guide for the C-drama community, building a super loyal audience without ever having to worry about a single licensing fee.
All right, let's talk about the prize. Can a channel built around English-dubbed C-dramas actually make money? Is it profitable? Well, the data points to a very, very clear yes, and in more ways than one.
First, let's just talk AdSense, because this niche targets viewers in Western countries. Think the US, the UK, Canada. You can expect a really strong CPM. That's what you get paid for every 1,000 views. A realistic range is somewhere between $6 and $8, which for entertainment content is definitely on the higher end.
So at 1 million views a month, you're already looking at a solid $6,000 to $8,000. But AdSense is just the start.
The real money is in sponsorships. Remember those multi-billion-dollar drama apps? They are desperate to find new users in English-speaking countries. A channel that brings them loyal fans is an incredibly valuable marketing partner. That opens the door to huge affiliate deals and sponsorships.
So, we've looked at the market, the content gap, the strategies, and the money you can make. It is time to put it all together and give this niche a definitive final score.
We're going to score this across 6 really critical factors: demand, competition, how strong the monetization is, the trend direction, how friendly it is for beginners, and the potential for a really unique angle. These are really the pillars of any sustainable YouTube channel.
And the final score is an 88 out of 100. That is an exceptionally high score. It tells us we have a powerful mix of high demand, super low competition on our specific dubbed angle, and some really strong tailwinds pushing the monetization potential.
So what's the final verdict? Is this a good niche for a new creator to jump into? It is an unequivocal yes. This is a textbook example of a rising tide lifting all boats, but in a harbor where very few boats have actually been built yet. You have a clear, unserved audience and a direct path to making real money.
Look, finding the perfect niche for you is a process of discovery. It takes time. So, to help you on that journey, tell me the niche you're thinking about in the comments below. I'm going to pick a few to analyze in a future explainer so we can all help each other find these incredible opportunities. Thanks so much for watching.